right. So I am Chris Colston. My business name is called DC Financial Services, and we are in the credit advising segment and also the DTI reduction segment. Phil and I, we met many, many moons ago. I will probably say 2010, 12 maybe. The networking organization, BNI. That's how you and I, met up, and we have continued to build our relationship, through there, and the work that we have done together, Phil. You've done an amazing job. You are like my mortgage guru go-to person. Why I will say that is because I know you're very smart, and I know how you are with numbers, with seeing trends and how to lock in rates at the right time, to make the deal the best deal possible for clients. I remember once that we were helping out a personal friend of ours, purchase his first home, and we needed to add the wife into the credit, right, into the financing, because the two incomes were really going to make a difference. But I remember that the wife was lagging a bit on the credit score, and you were not able to get, the perfect type of scenario of approval. And you reached out to me, and we were able to work together, collaborate, and we're able to get her those credit scores within 30 days to put it together. Where a lot of mortgage professionals, Phil, that I know, because I've worked with them, I've been doing this for 23 years, they won't go the extra step to see how they can get this better. Because a lot of mortgage professionals, Phil, they only utilize the what if scenario, right? And it's a great tool. It's a fantastic tool. But the what ifs, it's only seeing what's on the report right now. It doesn't see what can be added or what can be removed, eliminated from the reports. So it lacks that type of brain power, that type of knowledge to really kick in and make a big difference. So with your eyes and your intuition and knowing what tools to use, you were able to bring us into this deal, and we're able to make the big difference for them. So that's why I say that you bring in so much value, and that's why I send you so many deals. And I tell all of our friends, from Gentleman's Journal, the group that we're in, like, you are the go-to person for them, for everyone that we know, just by your integrity, the way you do business, but also with the knowledge. And I think that's big. The way you carry yourself as well as a person. I am very thankful and honored to know you as a person, because I know your wife, I know your kids, I know how you carry yourself. I know how the military has helped you out and how you help out others in the military, how you give. But I've also been enamored by you when you go and present. I've seen you many times do presentations, and you really bring the knowledge. When you present, people listen. And they take golden nuggets and golden nuggets that they use for many, many years, because it's so wonderful. So no, I've never had a doubt with you. Your services to the team. I've seen you do things that many other mortgage professionals won't do. And in a way, like, you're doing more for them than what you could actually potentially get for you, because it's the right thing to do. I will say that it's very, very great, and the value that you bring is to the highest level, because you always are looking out for your clients. So in other words, like what we say always, be your brother's keeper. You're actually your client's keeper. You're looking out always in their behalf. How can Phil's service be improved? I know how. Multiply Phil Stevenson. Multiply. But also, Phil, here's another thing right for you. Do mortgages in every 50 states, every United, every state in the United States. If you could do a mortgage in every single state, that will be wonderful. Because I remembered, and I don't know if you recall, the mother of one of the NFL players that that we helped out, that she needed a loan in Texas. And I remember in one of the one-to-ones and one of the lunches that you and I have, many times, you told me, it's like, I'm licensed in Texas. So I remember when I was speaking to him and I was speaking to her, and she told me, I need to get a mortgage. I was like, where you're at? And she's like, I'm in Texas. I was like, my dear friend can help you out. And I remember how you walked her through the process, how you helped her out. So yes, Phil, multiply yourself, and every single state in the United States, that's where you need to start doing business.